Nadi Shodhanam is an extremely potent cleansing pranayam. Nadi refers to the etheric channels in our body where the pran flows. Shodhanam means purifying. Any congestion in the nadis hinders the movement of pran. The stagnation of pran leads to disease. In Nadi Shodhanam, the Ida, that is the cold nadi on the left side of Shushumna, and Pingla, that is the hot nadi on the right side of Shushumna, work as churning rods, creating heat through friction at the base of the spine. This heat then rises through the Shushumna and from there is spread across the body to cleanse the various channels, making the body far more receptive to subtler energies and pran. For Nadi Shodhanam Pranayam, close your eyes and sit in Vajrasan. If you cannot sit in Vajrasan, then sit in any comfortable posture, keeping the spine straight. Paying reverence to the energy of your Guru and to Lord Ganesh, we begin the pranayam. Gently place the thumb of your right hand on the right nostril. The ring finger touches the left nostril and the middle finger rests on the Agya Chakra at the center of your forehead. The left hand may be placed on the left knee. Shut the left nostril with ring finger and inhale from the right nostril. Exhale from the left nostril by pressing the thumb against right nostril and simultaneously releasing the ring finger from the left nostril. Next, inhale from the left nostril and exhale from the right using the thumb and index finger. Inhale to the count of 4 and exhale to the count of 8. This completes one cycle. Repeat this cycle 7 times. With every breath, try to make the breath deeper and slower. You may increase the count of cycles gradually as you progress into the practice. Do this pranayam to awaken the Kundalini and have supernatural experiences. The practice of Sanatan Kriya is recommended after the pranayam to ensure awakening in the right direction. Try this pranayam and share your experiences with us at dhyan@dhyanfoundation.com. For more information on our sessions, you may log on to www.dhyanfoundation.com. In case you are facing anxiety or stress due to the current pandemic situation, please reach us on our COVID Mental Health Support Helpline number 9555551180.
A word of caution. Immense heat is generated in the body with the practice of Nadi Shodhanam Pranayam. The pranayam must be attempted only under the supervision of your Guru and is always followed by the Sanatan Kriya. The pranayam must be performed in a well-ventilated and clean environment on an empty stomach. If you are performing the pranayam in a room, open the doors or windows and avoid sitting under the direct blast of a fan or air conditioner or cooler while performing the pranayam.